5, part 3. A sticker costs 64 cents. Ronald spent $3.84 on stickers. How many stickers does Ronald buy? So 64 cents, $3.84. How many stickers does Ronald buy? So what is our total, or what is going to go be our dividend? $3.84, and our divisor is 64 cents. So number 6 over here, how many flats do I draw? 3 flats. How many long? 8. How many small cubes? 4. 4. Okay, so I can draw a circle, and what needs to go in each circle? 6. So 6 tens and 4 small cubes. So I can get rid of my small cubes, and then I can get rid of 6 of these. Do I have enough to do another one? No. Okay, so I can get rid of a flat, draw 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, how do I have enough small cubes though? Nope, so get rid of a long and draw 10 more small cubes. Okay, so now I can draw a circle, right? Draw 6 longs in it, and then get rid of 6 longs. And then I can get rid of 4 small cubes. Okay, do I have enough for another group? Yeah. Yep. So I'm going to circle 6 of those again. Get rid of them, and then get rid of 4 small cubes. Okay, now do I have enough to do another group? Nope, so get rid of a flat. Replace it with 10 longs. Do I have enough small cubes? Nope, get rid of a long and draw 10 more small cubes. Okay, so now can I draw another group? Yep. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 long. Get rid of 6 longs. And then how many small cubes? 4. Get rid of these 2 up here, 2 back here. Mark them off. Okay, can I do another group? No, because I don't have enough. So I got to get rid of a flat. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I have 4 here, 2 here. Get rid of them, right? How many do we need in there? 6? Yeah. And then 1, 2, 3, 4. No, 4. Okay, so can I do another group? Okay, what am I going to draw in there? Oh, I didn't get rid of enough. Yeah, because those are supposed to be gone. So 6 longs. And then that's all I should have left, right? Okay, I just didn't cross off enough when I first did it. All right, so how many groups do I have? So how many stickers? Okay, so let's do a problem where we just break it out. So 3 8400 divided by 6400. I want to divide by a whole number, so I'm going to leap over twice to the right. What I do to the divisor, I'm doing the dividend and bring my decimal straight up. So we now know that 64 can go in there 6 times, so let's try it. So 6 times 4 is 24, but the 4 mentally carry the 2. 6 times 6 is plus 2 is 38, and then nothing left over. Okay, since we have done so many of these and it's taken us so much time, we are going to put an X on 7 through 11. We are going to do 12 though. This is a little bit different. So open-ended, write and solve a word problem for the division shown by the decimal model. So let's figure out how much we have in our decimal model, okay? So what did we start with? How many flats? So 2 full flats, so 2 decimal, okay? And then how many long? 8. And then do we have any small cubes by themselves? No. Okay. And then we ended up with how many groups? We ended up with 4 groups. Okay. So we could have been doing some money ones. Could we convert this to money? Okay. So let's say this is $2.80 instead. Okay. Okay. Now this is 4 groups of what? Okay. This is a full flat. Is that a full flat? No. So how many longs are there? 7. And is there any small cubes by themselves? No. So just 7/10. So 4 groups of 7/10, right? Okay. So we could say that we could say Gary has $2.80, comma, he goes to the store to buy pens. How much is each pen going to cost? You're going to have to convert it to 70 cents, right? So this can also be written as that, right? Okay. So each pen costs 70 cents, comma, how many pens can Gary buy? Okay, and then so our answer would be 4